Taruk Suba Indian Organ Donation Day 2026 Angadaan Jeevan Sanjeevani Abhiyaan ki Thouram One Decision Many Lives haiba wakalonda National Organ and Tissue Transplant Organization Regional Institute of Medical Science RIMS Imphal na sinduna RIMS ki Banting Hall da ngasi pangthokre. Thouram aduda RIMS ki Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Medical Superintendent Dr. Nepram Sanjeev Singh, Dean Academy Dr. L. Rajesh Singh na athoiba mithunglen singh oina saruyaki. Thouram aduda organ amadi tissue donation program ge expert speaker singh transplant coordinator Laisha Monica, Neurology Department ge Assistant Professor Dr. Thoibisana amadi Nephrology Department ki Head of Department Professor T. Brojan amadi Masamak Organ Donor Oibadanatana Miyoi Tarabu Wakal Tahanduna Organ Donation Kidamakta Pledge Tawhanduna Register Tawhankiba Indian Red Cross Society Bishtupur District Branch ki Secretary Dr. Huidrom Roman Yauna Distinguished Contributor Ohumda Lengyan Yanduna Citation amadi Khudol Pot Piduna Puning Thogatki. RIMS ki Director Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma Fongdokibada Aikhogi Isa Asi Laikhidraba Matungda Maida Thadokduna Amadi Fumzinduna Mang Kadaraba Hakchang Kayat Singh Asi Hinglingada Dan Tauramduna Amadi Adopada Asigi Wari Amadi Kanaba Singh Khanganduna Dan Tawhanduna Miyoibagi Punsi Kanbada Angamba Thodang Lominarasi Haiki.